6 healthy beauty soup recipes that are nourishing, easy to prepare, and great for skin health and overall wellness. Recipe 1. Honey radish steamed soup. Ingredients: 1 medium white radish, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: 1. Cut a hole in the middle of the radish. 2. Fill the hole with a spoonful of honey. 3. Place the radish in a steaming pot with cold water. 4. Steam for about 30 minutes until fully cooked. 5. Remove, cool slightly. Enjoy the nutritious essence that can help clear phlegm and improve skin health. Recipe 2. Mung bean and barley health brew. Ingredients: 1 cup mung beans, 1 cup barley, 2 red dates pitted, 1 handful of wolfberries. Instructions: 1. Rinse mung beans and barley, then stir-fry them in a pan until the mung beans are slightly charred. 2. In a pot, combine the stir-fried mixture with water and bring to a boil. 3. Add red dates and wolfberries. 4. Simmer for 30 minutes. 5. Serve warm for a refreshing drink rich in nutrients that help improve complexion and digestion. Recipe 3. Ginger and red date tea. Ingredients: 50 grams of fresh ginger, 100 grams of pitted red dates, 100 grams of millet. Instructions: 1. Shred the ginger and dry fry in a pan until moisture is gone. 2. Add millet and continue to fry on low heat until golden. 3. Combine ginger, millet, and red dates in a pot with water. 4. Simmer for about 15-20 minutes. 5. Strain and enjoy this warming tea that aids digestion and reduces dampness. Recipe 4. Mung bean milkshake. Ingredients: 200 grams of mung beans soaked overnight, 1,500 ml of water, milk, ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Place soaked mung beans in a rice cooker with water and cook until soft. 2. Blend half of the cooked mung beans with milk to create a smooth milkshake. 3. In a glass, layer mung bean paste followed by the milkshake. 4. Add ice cubes for a refreshing dessert that nourishes the skin and hydrates the body. Recipe 5. Ancient Beauty Nourishing Soup. Ingredients: 15 grams of black beans, 15 grams of lotus seeds, 5 grams of red dates, 2 wolfberries. Optional salt and sesame oil. Instructions: 1. Soak black beans, lotus seeds, and red dates in water for a few hours. 2. In a pot, combine the soaked ingredients with water and bring to a boil. 3. Reduce heat and simmer for about 15 minutes. 4. Serve warm, adding salt and sesame oil for flavor if desired. 5. This soup helps boost energy and can improve skin radiance. Recipe 6. Carrot and tomato juice blend. Ingredients: 1 carrot, peeled and chopped, 1 tomato, and 2 apple, 500 ml of water. Instructions: 1. After boiled carrots, combine carrot, tomato, apple, and water in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth, then strain if desired to remove pulp. 3. Serve fresh for a nutritious drink that aids antioxidants to support skin health. These recipes incorporate a variety of ingredients known for their health benefits, including hydration, skin nourishment, and detoxification, and are easy to prepare for a beauty-enhancing diet. Enjoy!